Hello, sports fans. We're going to scientifically determine the winner of the big game Sunday.
Yeah, I've got a Panthers egg.
I've got a Broncos egg. I bought brown eggs because I'm a fancy boy.
Yes, and we're going to figure out which one's going to win by putting these in the microwave. The first egg to explode is the winner of the Super Bowl.
All right.
Ready?
Ready?
Go.
Go.
You guys, who's cleaning it up, though?
Zach.
Okay.
The Bronco egg, the Peyton Manning egg is moving very slowly.
Just like real life.
Yeah. And the Cam Newton egg is scrambling. Ah! It's football. It's an egg joke. All right.
Yeah.
Come on, let's get this over with.
Zach, come in close here
Yeah, let's see.
as our cameraman, and let's see what happens.
Oh, yeah.
It's a horrible picture.
It's okay.
Well,
All you can see is
microwaves are not known for their high def.
Get in there close. We need to see the
It's
explosion.
going to go. It's going to go. I feel cracking. And the egg. And the winner was...
The Broncos?
No, it was the Panthers!
The Broncos did not break.
Panthers will win.
Yay!
Okay, let's get Zach a sponge. There you go. Place your bets.
No reason to play the game. We know.
that was horrifying.